Welcome to the demo of Kuvarpay autonomous payments. So this is to enable our merchants make payments to maybe their staffs, to their vendors, and using an AI agent to manage the treasury, to manage the payment for them. So we also have the recipients where they can see already linked recipients. I'm going to start using the payment. I'm going to start with the payroll, but they can also do contractor payments, vendor payments, or design a custom distribution logic. So I'm going to start with the payroll. So I'm going to give it hackathon payroll. You can either make it a recurring payment and select an interval, or you make it a one-time. And then the type of currency is USDT. We can have more currencies in the future, but this is for USDT. And then you can have more chains in the future, but this we are going to stick with BNB chain for the first version of this autonomous payment. In this employee info, you have the ability to upload a file or to select from your directory, as you can see, or I can add them manually. So for this demo, I'm going to show you the file upload. So you can download sample data. Once you click here, you'll be able to download sample data, and then you fill in with they can fill in with their details. Now, because we are going to need bank codes while filling in your sample data, you can check out the bank codes from here to settle from any banks in the country of your recipient. So you have Ghana, Kenya, South Africa, Rwanda, all of you, and you can also export it so that it will be easy for you to copy and paste between two sheets. I'm going to upload the CSV file that I've already prepared from our sample. Yes. Then the next step is to analyze it. So the agent is going to evaluate the schedule. It's going to generate an address and it's going to calculate the required USDT for the payment. Alright, so that's generated the vault address where the payment will be made to. Alright, so it has saved it and it has completed. So you enter the dashboard and you can see your payment. So a batch would have been created because it's an immediate payment and the batch is at pending. So because the batch is at pending, alright, so it already showed me the amount I need to do. So I'm going to copy this address and make payment. Alright, so I've made payment. Let's see. So it's going to keep checking for the payment, and once it has determined it's seen the payment, it continues the processing. Alright, now you see it has moved to processing. It has completed the payroll. The status is not completed. It has completed sending it out to them. So let's look at the report. As you can see, the batch is completed. The schedule has been marked completed. You can also see the various departments that have been created by you, or maybe you have a vendor contractor. You can see different categories. You can also add the recipient or employee through this channel, or even edit your employee through this channel. Now, this employee was synced from the data we uploaded. You don't need to keep bringing out, keep updating employees directory. Once you upload them once, we sync it to your directory, and you can see the amounts that will be paid here. I can modify this and change the bank and everything in it.